Do you want to add a signature in your Gmail account? I'll show you how you can do it. Here, click on Signatures, and now on Manage Signatures. It opened the settings in the background. Now close your mail. Under Signatures, you can see that you have none. Here, click on Create New. Now give your signature a name and click on Create. In that little window, you can write your signature. If you're done, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now open a new mail. And click again on Signature, and you can see the signature you just created.